start with a document that's already been populated with some content and play around a little. Starting at home base, the Home tab will get beyond bold and italic by creating a list. So let's go to the paragraph group, and there you see the ever-popular bulleted, numbered, and multi-level lists, along with indentation and alignment commands. So I'm going to select some text, click the arrow next to the bullets command, choose a design for my bullet, and there are my bullets. Now, I want to format my headings with a consistent look and feel. Styles are great for this, and you'll find them on the Home tab in the Styles group. You can either select the text to apply a style to, or just click inside that paragraph. As I hover over each style, my document text appears exactly as it would with the style applied. I'm going to apply the title style to my title, the heading 1 style to my first level heading, and the heading 2 style to each of my subheadings. While we're here, I'll give you a tip about the ribbon. If you don't see all the options you want on the ribbon, turn your attention to the small diagonal arrow in the lower right corner of the group. This is called the dialog box launcher. Click the dialog box launcher in the Styles group. The Styles pane appears with a list of additional styles you can apply. The dialog box launcher is available in other groups as well. Find and Replace are also on the Home tab in the Editing group. Clicking Find opens the navigation pane where you can search for words or phrases. There have been some updates to how search works in Word 2010, beginning with the navigation pane. This course won't go into detail. Meanwhile, it's enough to know that you'll find on the Home tab. Now let's add a little punch and see where to find pictures, charts, tables, shapes, and other visual elements. The place to add these is the Insert tab. I'll insert a shape to emphasize a point. I click Shapes on the Insert tab. Scan the list for a smiley face like this one. I click it, and then click where I want it to appear in my document. Voila! My smiley appears. Perhaps not so professional, but good for illustrative purposes. When you've done the work on your document, you'll want to check the spelling and grammar before it goes out for public consumption. The Spelling and Grammar command is on the Review tab. Logical, because this is part of reviewing our work. You click Spelling and Grammar in the Proofing group, and there's the Spelling and Grammar dialog box that we're familiar with from earlier versions. I'll correct this one glitch. Click Change, and click OK. Okay, that's our reorientation to the basics. In the next section, we'll look at how Word puts the tools you need where you need them as you work.